In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account on Facebook Marketplace effortlessly. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you have all the knowledge you need to complete it with ease. Now let's get started. First up, we need to make our way over to Facebook. Open your web browser and go to the Facebook homepage. Now, once you're there, you'll want to log into your account if you haven't already. This is crucial because without logging in, you won't be able to access your payment settings or any other personal account information. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the Facebook interface. You'll notice a grid icon that resembles 9 dots. Give that a click. This icon is your gateway to a variety of different Facebook functions and options, including Facebook Marketplace. After clicking, you'll be served up a menu with various selections. Among these options, you're looking for something labeled Orders and Payments. Go ahead and select that. This link takes you one step closer to integrating your bank account, allowing for smooth transactions and operations on Marketplace. You've now reached the crucial section for managing your payment methods. Within this section, what you want to do next is click on an option that is typically labeled credit and debit cards. This is a little counterintuitive since we're adding a bank account, but rest assured this is the right path to follow. Once you've clicked here, you'll see several additional settings and inputs. The next step involves syncing your bank details across your Facebook accounts. You'll see an option labeled Sync Across Accounts. Click on it. It's a seamless feature that Facebook offers to make sure your payment information is consistent across any Facebook functions you use, like Marketplace or even ads. Now you should see a form where you can fill out your bank information. Enter your bank account details carefully. This will typically include your account number and routing number. Be certain to double check the information you've input to avoid any mistakes, as incorrect details can prevent your payments from going through smoothly. Remember that securing your details is important. Ensure that you're on a secure network when entering sensitive information. Once your details are all filled in and verified, confirm everything to proceed. Facebook does a great job at helping you make sure your information is accurate before finalizing any changes, but it's always a good practice to perform your checks. And there you have it. Your bank account is now linked to your Facebook Marketplace profile. This setup will facilitate easier transactions whenever you're buying or selling items. If you found this walkthrough helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. I hope this process was straightforward and that you're ready to take full advantage of Facebook Marketplace with integrated bank transactions.